Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And this is Hamid, your friend from itsmadeeasy.com. Hope you're doing great. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw this pot model in SolidWorks with easy steps. Come, let's start our tutorial now. Have SolidWorks, and in parallel screen we have the 2D diagram of the 3D part model. And by having a look, we can observe that we have three main parts in this single part, like the base part one, and the second one the right angle part here, and the one is the normal extruded part. And one thing I need to mention that in this three feature we are going to use the same feature called extrude. Okay, now let's start with the part model. And first I will be starting with the base part, to which I need the top plane to draw it, and I'm taking this part as the origin now. Okay, I'm taking the top plane, I'm starting the sketch, and from here to here 60, 20, 30, 30. Okay, I'm starting now here from the origin 60 towards the horizontal, and now 20 towards the horizontal, now 30 vertically, and again 30, and coming to the center part and just closing this like the contour now. And here we have a 10 width of the 10 height of the extrude. It's automatically driven now, so I'm just closing this one. And now we are continuing with the side part, to which we need this plane from which we are going to draw that. And from this point they have taken 20 vertical, 20 horizontal, 20 vertical, and 30 horizontal. So what am I going to, since this origin we have taken at here, so I'm going to start from here, vertically 20 now. I'm taking from here 20, 0, again towards left 20, upward 20, and now it should be coinciding with 30 now, 30, now towards here. And the same feature we are we are giving to this close contour. But one thing we need to notice that it's not towards the other side, it should be coinciding with the inner side of the 60 mm. So I'm just changing the side of the direction. Now we are done with the two parts of this, and finally we have the final part, which is the normal extrude. Either we can draw this from this plane or from this plane, anything can take it. So I'm taking this plane, and here we have a rectangle of 40 length and 20 width. I'm drawing that now, taking a corner rectangle, and from this point I'm taking a height of 20, width of 40. Yep, and now I am giving the total height as 20. Yep, there we are. And yes, we have completed the 3D part model of the 2D diagram that we have here. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for being here for this wonderful tutorial, and it will be a great support for us if you guys give a like, comment, and if really share this video with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the creative and more interesting updates to us. Thank you.